going to use 2 guajillo and about 15 arbol chillies for this salsa. So it's going to be nice and spicy. We're going to heat a skillet really well with no oil. And I'm going to add those chilies. I'm going to press them against the pan. I want them to just char a little bit. Don't burn them, okay? And I'm going to transfer them to a bowl. I'm now going to cover these with boiling water. And I'm going to weigh them down with a plate. Wipe down your pan and add 3 tomatoes that are washed and 3 unpeeled garlic cloves. We're going to char these on all sides. I'm going to transfer these now to a little plate. All right, we're going to put our tomatoes in our blender. Our chilies. I'm going to add a little bit of that soaking liquid. Let's call it a 1/4 cup. We're peeling the garlic and putting that in. I'm going to add some salt and about a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. All right, we're going to blend this until it is nice and smooth. Beautiful salsa roja. Oh, and it's so tasty. You can use this for tacos, for chips, for eggs. Oh, on top of some scrambled eggs. Delicious. It is spicy, guys. So if you're not into real spicy things, this is not a salsa for you. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you soon.